Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today I teamed up with Kisslove and they sent over this beautiful 360 lace wig. She has these beautiful like honey blonde, honey brown highlights. I guess you can call it balayage. Gorgeous dark root, and we went ahead and did a very quick, simple, easy, straight to the point install. Now this one's a little bit more detailed because we do have that 360 technology. So I'm going to be showing you how the invisible strap in the back work. If I didn't mention, it has the invisible strap, and how we went ahead and bonded it down and melted it down super flawless. I'm gonna go ahead and get right into the video. Of course, there's a direct link and all the details down below, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, love bugs, happy Saturday for me. Happy whatever day it is in the world and the universe for you. Chair always makes this much noise, or am I always so busy I don't notice it? I hope you can't hear that in the videos, but today I did team up with Kisslove, as you guys seen in the video, and we're going for a little bit of color. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Ew, so we got some curls. Should we go? We're gonna go Sebastian Shapers. I'm gonna do it on the front side and the back side. And this one is called the Zero Gravity. I know I always say light hold, but to me Zero Gravity is kind of like light hold. And I'm gonna take this paper out because it's also making a lot of noise. Maybe I'm just hypersensitive to sound today. This one here is a pre-everything wig, so I wanted to give you a close-up of the hairline with that brown paper attached. You remove it, and then this is what the hairline looks like. So you guys know the drill with the pre-everything wigs by now if you watch my channel. Pre-cut lace with that scalloped cut, pre-bleached knots, which is why it looks so flawless, and then pre-plucked hairline, which is even another reason to look flawless. And then when you turn it around, you guys see this is a free part lace frontal. Oh no, it's a 360 lace wig. I'm saying frontal and I'm like, damn, that's a lot of lace going around. It never stops because it's 360, and that's exactly what 360 is. There's lace in the front, and as you go around, the lace never ever stops. This is the back, and as you guys can see, this one here has those beautiful invisible strap drawstrings, or straps, not drawstrings, and they look like this. On each side you will see that you see the actual drawstring, and you also get that little stopper, so when you pull, you see I'm pulling and it's getting tighter, and when you get to where you want, you use the stopper to hold it in place. I'm doing this and I'm trying to hold it up in the air, but you can literally make this one as tight as you want it to go. So you guys see how it's stretching in. As you pull, it literally just will get tighter and tighter and tighter, and then you pull on the drawstring. Gotta do it in my lap so you guys can see. And then I pull the drawstring and then I pull the stopper. That way the stopper sits where you want it to hold. And look at how tight or small the wig can go. You can literally make it so small it can potentially fit a child's head and be super duper snug. I'm gonna release it to finish showing you guys the inside construction of the cap. Now I still like to be delicate with mine, but it is pretty sturdy. In addition to that, you do get a comb at the nape. If you don't need this, it is a removable comb, so it comes right out, and as you guys can see, these indentations here are where they go. You can literally put it right back in. Now I do feel like a wig is more comfortable essentially without that comb in the back, but also sometimes I feel like that comb will keep the wig down, like if you really want it to be like super down. Also at the sides you get two more of those removable combs, and they come out just the same. I'm not gonna take them out because just take my word on it. And then of course you do also get the adjustable removable elastic band. So let me adjust mine and we can put it on, and then we can go ahead and get started on the install. Now I got mine how I potentially think I'm going to wear it. Let's go ahead and put her on. Gonna start. Oh, and did I show you guys that this is a free part? I believe I showed you that. Let's go ahead and put her on. Stop. Just relax, everybody. Woohoo! So this is what she's looking like when you put her on. Let's show you guys from the back. Now when we do a little chit chat, I'm gonna go ahead and fire up my hot tools. Today we're gonna be using the electric hot comb for the dynamic duo, and then we're also gonna be using the wand curler. Now I probably should go ahead and adjust the wand curler. It does come with a couple other attachments, but I've been really loving that size. Now as far as the wig goes, we already know this is a 360 lace wig, so we will be able to bond it down in the front and then adjust it in the back. Everything fits amazing. You don't have to cut anything off. Sometimes even with the 360 wig, you'll have to cut off like the lace on the sides, and this one fits seamless. So for starters, let's go ahead and just bond her down. I'm gonna pull the wig back, apply a good amount, and really quickly try to go on top of the lace with the, or go over the product with the lace. And because we have makeup on, you kind of want to dab it out before you allow it to dry, simply because you really don't want to have that product run on your makeup. Next, we can take care of our edges. I'm gonna take a little bit of this edge control, or a lot, and just clean up my sideburns. Next, you can decide if you want to do some baby hair. You guys already know I want to, so I'm gonna go ahead and snap out my sideburns, but I don't even have a phone to watch YouTube. Let me get my phone. We're gonna do some sideburns. Got my phone. I'm gonna listen to some YouTube. I'm gonna do some TikTok while we do some baby hair and melt the lace, and we'll move on to the curls. Okay, so I got a little bit distracted, but let's get started. Okay, let's go ahead and tint the lace really quickly. I'm gonna go shade 15, dry 16. Don't look 'em up.
Hey Google,
Look how good this
play
looks
red.
right here. Okay, let's do the dynamic duo really quickly. Okay, my daughter is practicing dance, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the curls. You guys see, this is what it looks like when you kind of comb it out. You really don't need to, but I'm just gonna do my quick little 5-minute touch-up curls, and then we will take the band off, and hopefully everything is melted. That looks so good. Okay, so this looks beautiful. I did the 3 curls on each side, and as you guys can see, I did a little and then the hairline, of course, we did baby hair. You can for sure opt out, but I think it looks so fire. So I'm gonna take some pictures like this, and then we're gonna explore the 360 situation in the back. Okay, love bugs, so I went ahead and got some cute photos in this one, and I really am obsessed. I love the way this one came out, but the one thing I did not do was like comb it out whenever I added those extra little curls. I kind of use my fingers because sometimes that is how you kind of like form your hair and train it how you want it to go. Like even if you curl it, I feel like you can still like train the curls or kind of guide them, if you will. So this is pretty much the finished look, and we are done technically, but I do want to show you guys the 360 feature. So I think my husband's about to go ahead and come and get in the bed, so I'm probably gonna just switch over to voiceover if anything, but do the intro and outro actually. Okay, love bugs, I am in love with this wig. It has so much bounce and body. I was just doing, you know, my little I was playing with it, getting really sassy, but you guys already know this is the 360 wig, so I guess I can share with you guys all of the 360 technology. Now this one, let me go ahead and flip you guys around so you can get the full tea. First of all, let me get a scrunchie. Okay, love bugs, we are up into a bun, and here you guys can see the drawstrings. There's one on this side and this one is on this side. I did have them tucked in, but I want to show you guys that if you have the wig on and you decide you want to adjust it, you can literally pull and the stopper here will keep it in place. Also, you have that comb there, so you can take and pull the wig down and adjust it as low as you want. I like to tuck it into my hair or my braids or my ponytail, and then once it's adjusted how I like it, I also tuck the drawstrings back in. Super seamless. And then you can bring the wig down as much as you need, and then I just use my fingers to kind of like pull everything, because you kind of want the hairs to not be too perfect or uniform, but you do want them to sit below. And you can kind of pull out any baby hairs, and you can make it as tight or as loose as you want, but you guys can see you can do high ponytails or buns and it looks really good. And you guys can see this is a messy bun, but it even looks fire in a messy bun up. I love a good 360 lace wig because it's just simple and easy to wear and to install. I just have to go ahead and put some lace tint right here because I didn't. So don't clock you, bro. But yeah, I just wanted to show you this little tidbit. Looks really good. Simple, easy breezy, lemon squeezy. Okay, so we can get back to the video. So this here is the actual dust bag that the wig and like all of the goodies came in, and the wig is out of it, and you guys can see it's kind of hefty, if you will. So you guys already seen we use the melt belt, which is really nice, and it goes with the pink theme. And then from here, let's go ahead and see what else we have inside. So for starters, we do have the invisible HD wig caps, a pair of mink lashes. We also got a little mint green baby hair brush, an eyebrow razor, which I like to use to cut off excess lace. We got a few strips of the wig tape, ear tape, the type of tape that you can apply. It's double-sided. You can put it under your lace and on your skin to attach your wigs. Really, really nice. And then we got some more goodies. So here is a repair kit. So this is an invisible strap 360 lace wig. And with that invisible strap, I'm never really too delicate with it. And for me, I've never had it like break or pop or anything like that. But they do give you a repair kit with extra invisible strap. And this way, if for any reason yours comes undone, you will be able to go ahead and fix it. And then last but most certainly not least, we got this really cute duo here. This here is a bonnet, and it does say Kisslove. It has like the little logo all over. And then this here is a robe. So really cute. I love it when you can do like the bonnet and the robe together. And the icing on the cake is you even have the cute little melt belt to go underneath to make sure your wig is slayed and snatched, period. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Be sure to check this one out. Of course, there is a direct link and all the details down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.